Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! If you're new to the world of crypto trading and are curious about how to use OKX, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started, from setting up your account to making your first trade and withdrawing your funds. Stick around till the end, because I've got some essential tips to help you avoid beginner mistakes. Let's dive in. First things first, let's create an OKX account. Head over to okx.com and click on Sign Up. Enter your email, create a strong password, and verify your account using the one-time password sent to your email. Easy, right? But hold on. To unlock higher withdrawal limits, you'll need to complete the KYC verification. Just click on Verify Now, and submit your ID proof. Once approved, you're all set to go. Alright, now that you've got your account, it's time to deposit some funds. Click on Deposit in your OKX wallet. You can deposit cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. If you'd rather use your bank card to buy crypto, go to Buy Crypto, select the amount you want, and complete the payment. Your crypto will be credited to your account instantly. Simple as that. Now comes the exciting part. Trading on OKX. Head over to the Trade section and select Spot Trading. Choose your trading pair, let's say BTC USDT, enter the amount, select Market Order for instant buying, and click Buy BTC. Done. If you prefer more control over your trades, you can use limit orders to set your own price. And for those of you who are more adventurous, OKX offers futures trading. Just remember, high risk, high reward. Alright, you've made some trades and now you're ready to withdraw your funds. Go to Withdraw and select the crypto you want to withdraw. Enter your wallet address, set the amount, and confirm. Make sure to double-check your wallet address to avoid any errors. Before you go, let's talk about some of the special features that OKX offers. Did you know you can stake your crypto and earn passive income? Just head to the Earn section and check out the available staking options for coins like Ethereum, Solana, and USDT. It's a great way to make your crypto work for you, and there you have it, folks. That's your complete beginner's guide to using OKX. Whether you're just starting out or looking to explore more features, OKX has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.